Hello, Adiola here. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, you have access to educative and informative content on cryptocurrency and blockchain. Today, we want to look at how to register on the Binance platform in 2022. Some new users or some old users would have noticed that the UI of the registration page might have changed a bit since a couple of months ago. So today we want to look at how to perform registration on Binance, complete your verification, and then finally perform your first trade. Your first trade transaction. So let's proceed. Click any of the links below in the description box that leads to Binance, and so this page will appear. What you just have to do is to enter your email or your phone number here and then click proceed. My email is already registered, but let's see. Okay, so you then click on sign up with phone or email. Okay, it will ask you to enter your country of origin. Like you see, an error pops up. My email is already registered on this platform, so just allow this page to load. You don't need to. It should be able to automatically dictate the country you are in. So once once you've selected the right country, in case yours is not doing that way, click confirm. So once you're done with confirming your country, you now create account for. You have two options. This one other option was not there about 2 years ago or so. So the new option now is create entity account. So that's if you have a business. But now we want to create a personal account, so you click on create personal account. You can as well create entity account if you desire. So we have this. We are presented with this page. You enter your password. Ensure it's a password you can remember. Then you enter your referral. Please click the link below. You won't have to enter any referral code. If you click my link, it will automatically identify my referral code. And the benefit is, once you register via the link of a non-registered affiliate, like we have here, you have chances of getting up to $3 at the end of the month once you fund your account with an amount of up to $50 US. So that is that about that. So then you agree to the terms and condition, to marketing update. If you wish to get marketing updates from Binance, you enter and then you click next. From there, you'll be asked to verify your email or your phone number, whichever one you are using for this registration. Then a code will be sent to your email. Then from there, you enter the code, and congratulations, you've registered on Binance. However, that is not all. And so once you've done your registration, one other thing you have to do is to go to your Binance, download the Binance app on Play Store. You download it, log in with the new registered email address that you've just created, or the new account you've just created. Then once you've logged in, come up here to the top left corner of the screen and tap on the user icon logo. From there, click on Binance user. Okay, let's wait for it to load. So you click on Binance user. You may see verify. The verify button should work, or it says failed verification. Tap on it and click. Mine is showing failed, but I am not scared because it's only saying failed because of the next high verification process that I have not completed. But what I need to operate or use Binance successfully well in my country, to the limit I am managing currently, I have done the verification, so I don't need to worry. So you can see my minimum daily transaction limit there, and then my withdrawal limit as well. So you can see it labeled me as a verified plus. But in the case you have not been verified, so this is what you see, and then you start with your personal information. You enter your personal information. So once you've done your personal information, you proceed to government issued ID. And now this is the good news currently. As some would have noticed that about 2 years ago or so, as of this time last year, let me be specific, as of this time last year, you can only do your verification with your name, your NIN. Your voter's card or your government issued ID card, your national ID card, not even your name. So then it wasn't accepting name. But prior to that time, you only enter your BVN and you get verified. But all of a sudden, things changed, and Binance is trying to comply with the rules and regulation of the country. And so Binance updated their grading from BVN to from BVN only to BVN plus your government issue ID card. And then as of late last year, early this year, you can now register people were able to register then with their name. Binance introduced the name, but currently now Binance has come back to where it used to be, and that's even with your BVN you can get verified and then proceed with every other thing you want to do on the app. Your BVN and then your name, both are now very functional, and you don't even need to scan any document. Just input the digital or the code and you are in. And once you are done with that, the next thing you want to ensure is your facial recognition. Your facial recognition, you have to do this before you proceed. Ensure there is proper lighting. Ensure there is a proper lighting wherever you want to take it. Be steady. Be steady with your camera, be steady with everything, and then you begin the procedure. You ask you to roll your eyes, roll your head in some circular manner or so, and then it may even ask you to open your mouth and smile and stuff like that. This so that it gets your face properly scanned on the system. So I hope you understand. And so this the process is familiar. It's only a few upgrade and a little change. So that is that about that. If you enjoy this video, please kindly like it and then subscribe to my channel and then turn on notification as well so that you know when I post the next video. Okay, so now let's proceed. Once you've done your KYC means know your customer, then you want to make your first deposit. So go to P2P trading right here on your home screen. Go to P2P. One thing you want to ensure, let me start from the center top of the page, top center of the page where you see P2P. So we're on the P2P page, but there's also Express. Express is also P2P, but it's faster in that it allows you the system itself, instead of you having to scroll to look for options that are good, that are okay, the system generates some users for you to buy from that are credible, and not only are they credible, as of that time you trigger the order, it is the best available rate as of that time. So the system will suggest users for you. So let's say I want to buy something worth 10,000 naira, a USDT worth 10,000 naira. You see, it's trying to tell me that this is the available rate that is available for me. This is the amount I will be paying and stuff like that. So I hope you get it. So, but let's go back to our P2P. Sorry, I closed it. Let's go back to our P2P. So here you need to scroll through list of users you want to buy from. This is in the buy section. So let's go down a bit. You see, we are in the buy section here, but let's go to sell. You see, that means if you want to sell your BTC, your crypto, this is where you come to. Then you choose the available best option for you. And then under the buy and sell button is a crypto asset available for trade on the P2P. We have USDT, we have BTC, we have BUSD, and so on. So you can choose whichever one you want to trade at that point in time. Now let me go back up a bit again. Let's go back to the yellow part of the screen. At the top right corner, you see NGN on my screen. You may be logging in for the first time, it might not be NGN, but in case it's not NGN, click on it. Then you can select your default fiat currency, the default fiat currency that is available in your country, or that is being used in your country. You click on it and then you select it. So once that is done, I think you are ready to go. Now let me just give you a hint on how to choose the best option on this platform. Number one thing you want to check is the success rate of those people you want to buy from. The success rate is displayed in percentages at the top, beside the names of each people you are transacting with. You see it as the last at the last section of the top part of the ad, of the customer's ad, or those who want to sell. They want to sell to you, you want to buy from them. So the last part of their ad, we call these things ad because it's an ad placed by people. They advertise it that you come and buy from me, and you too you want to buy. So you want to know, okay, number one, how much success rate do they have? Like this CoinLord Wire, for instance, he has done 48 trades and has 84% as percentage completion rate, which is actually a good rate. And then don't worry, you cannot be scammed on this platform as long as you follow the rules that I'm laying down for you. Now I won't go into the sale because I want you to buy for the first time. So you check their success rate, that's important. Then next is you check if you are not restricted. Like you see this map Londi, his own ad restricts me, so that means there is a form of restriction on his trade. Then after that, you want to check the minimum amount that the person is allowing. Like this person, CoinLord Wire now, is saying he cannot sell anything less than 1.5 and not anything more than 2,000. in naira. You can see. So if you're the type that want to buy 10,000 naira, you won't even consider this one. So you have to scroll until you get to one. Okay, this one. So you can buy from this one. For instance, it has a 7% completion rate, 288 trades performed. What a wonderful score! And then it supports minimum 1,000, maximum 10,200. So you see, you can get from people like this depending on your choice. I hope you are following. So once you've affirmed or you've checked this, then you can now click on buy. Now here is the rule. I'll give you the rule for both buy and sell, though I won't show you any procedure in sell. The rule is this. Now when you enter the amount you want to buy, let's say you want to buy 30,000. Okay, the order has changed drastically. I think somebody bought for him now, so the order page has refreshed, as you would have noticed as well. The second person before, so this page refreshes quickly, so you have to make your choice really fast. So let's say, for instance, this person his minimum is 100k and maximum 180. Let's say it's something that is convenient for me. I'm just trying to demonstrate and will not do anything. So okay, I guess so we have this, and then sorry, I guess they've bought from this one too as well. Okay, let's see this. Let's say I'm buying 2,000. Okay, as you can see, so you have to look at the order refreshes so fast depending on the number of people transacting as of that time. So now I've entered 2,000. Let's say I want to buy 2,000. The rule is this: once you click on buy, it will take you to a page where you see the account of the person you send the money to. Now once you send the money from your own app on your phone, immediately come back here and say you have sent the money. Click it that you have made payment instantly. Don't wait. Once you have sent it, click paid. Once you have clicked on paid, then you expect him to release the crypto asset for you. If you fail to do that, Binance will do that on your behalf, or you create there's what we call an appeal. You create an appeal and Binance will rectify it. Don't worry, you will not be scammed. The crypto is with Binance. It cannot run away from you once you have clicked paid. The same way if you are selling. Now, you have clicked on sell, you've given him your own crypto asset, you are expecting him to pay you back, to pay into your account. Don't click on the page that you have received money unless you have sent the alert and you have confirmed. Don't click on Binance app that you have received the money until you have received an alert on your phone and you've confirmed that it is the amount that you wanted, that was agreed on the platform that you saw. Please take note of this as well. So that is it, guys. That's what you need to trade on Binance in 2022. And if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so that you know when I post the next video. Thank you.